shake and shiver. You know we got a mystery to solve, so Scooby-Doo, be ready for your act. Don't hold back, and Scooby-Doo, if you come through, you're gonna have yourself a Scooby snack. Scooby-Dooby-Doo, here are you. You're ready and you're willing. If we can count on you, Scooby-Doo, I know we'll catch that villain.
Scooby-Doo, looking for you. Scooby-Doo, where are you? All the stars are here, waiting for you. Couldn't have a show without you. Scooby, Scooby-Doo, Scooby, Scooby-Doo.
Uncle Scooby? Hi, I'm Scrappy-Doo.
Scrappy-Doo?
Let me at him! Let me at him! Let me at him! Let me at him!
Scooby, Scrappy-Dappy-Doo, Scooby,
Scrappy-Dappy-Doo!
Scooby, Scrappy-Dappy-Doo.
Ta-ta-ta-ta-ta! Puppy power!
Scrappy-Doo?
Uncle Scooby? Scrappy-Dappy-Doo!
Scooby-Dooby-Doo?
Good afternoon, Stars. Today is Wednesday, February 12th. Let's check today's headlines.
Central Indiana is under a winter weather advisory. We'll have the latest.
Pennies for Patience kicks off.
And our Weibo swimmers advance again. We'll tell you who.
Thanks for joining us, Stars. I'm Aubrey Stewart.
And I am James Moore. Let's check the song of the day.
Email radiotv@wb.rtv and Outlook or give us a call at extension 3134 if you think you know the answer.
Yeah, the magicians assist down in their dream.
Top story, the National Weather Service has issued a winter weather advisory effective from 1 o'clock this afternoon to 1 o'clock Thursday afternoon. As you can see on the radar, the storm is taking aim on Boone County. Plan on slippery road conditions and prepare for Arctic-like temperatures later tomorrow. Tyler Brunny will be with us later to give us the latest storm totals and tell us how we might think the snow will fall.
Pennies for Patience has started today. The fundraiser will be going on until February 28th. The Junior High Honor Society will be going around every Tuesday and Thursday to collect the money from your homerooms. As an added incentive, the homeroom that donates the most money will be treated to an ice cream party at lunch.
In Weibo Sports News, Reagan Gubera and Michaela Stever will be advancing to swimming and diving state finals this weekend. Reagan competed at Plainfield on Tuesday evening and advanced with a score of 348.10. Swimming prelims will take place Friday night with both state championship competitions finishing on Saturday at the IUPUI Natatorium. Congratulations to both Reagan and Michaela, and we're wishing you good luck this weekend. And we'll be back with weather after this break.
Scared of my own image, scared of my own immaturity, scared of my own ceiling, scared I'll die of uncertainty. Fear might be the death of me, fear leads to anxiety, don't know what's inside of me.
And now Tyler Brunny joins us with our forecast. Tyler, has it started snowing yet outside?
Not yet, Aubrey. It's an overcast sky outside. No snow coming down as of now. Later in the day, expect some more heading into tomorrow. But for now, just an overcast sky, about 35 degrees. Taking a look at our current conditions, 35 degrees outside, as we mentioned. Overcast sky should stay that way for the rest of the night. And a 30.15 pressure system is falling. Taking a look at some of the temperatures that are associated with this winter storm we're getting right now. Places like Minnesota and Iowa down to negative 10 degrees, lots of zeros, lots of single digits throughout the Midwest, not affecting Indiana right now. Be about 30 degrees for the next couple hours. But looking at some of the snow totals for this winter storm, in northern Indiana, about 6 inches up to half a foot of snow. In middle Indiana, 1 to 3 inches of snow, about a sleet snow mix. We're right now on that line, could expect a little bit of both. In southern Indiana, less than an inch of snow, but a lot of rain coming with that storm as it gets warmer down south. Now taking a look at some of our current conditions, current temperatures throughout Indiana. 36 degrees in Lafayette near us, 36 degrees in Indianapolis, and up north as we get farther north it gets colder, 34 degrees in Kokomo. Now taking a look at our extended forecast. Tomorrow, lots of snow in the morning, should be cold. It'll be a low of 0 all the way down to 0, but a high of 32, so at the end of the day it'll start warming up a little bit. Friday will be our coldest day of the week. No snow, but only a high of 16 and a low of 3, cold throughout the day. Saturday, weather starts to return to normal. Partly cloudy skies, a high of 35 and a low of 30. That's all for weather. Now back to the news desk with the answer to the song of the day.
Thanks, Tyler. Now let's check the answer to the song of the day. If you answered Riptide by Vance Joy, you are correct. The classes you answered correctly are Mr. Brunty, Mrs. Foxworthy, Miss Gregerson, Mr. Harrison, Miss Martin, Mr. Riggins, and Miss Walker.
And the students who answered correctly are Blake Shaw, Lydia Floyd, Brandon Kale, Jacob Hendricks, Seth McCloskey, Dane Williamson, and Summer Adamowitz. And that's all for today's broadcast. Thanks for joining us, Stars. I'm Aubrey Stewart.
I'm James Moore. From all of us here at WBTV, have a great week.
No fighting. Shakira, Shakira. I never really knew